At Azim Premji University, learning doesn't stop at the classroom. Here, students lead the way with clubs that spark ideas, build friendships, and fuel passions. Love music, theatre, films, or debate? There is a space for you. Curious about sustainability, science, or economics? Join a subject club. Organize talks, exhibitions, workshops, or start one of your own. Get your hands dirty, literally, with the Sustainable Farming Club. Grow food, save seeds, compost, visit farms, understand the soil, the science, and the people behind it. From cricket to yoga, dance to football, with over 15 sports and fitness clubs, make sure you move, compete, play, and stay healthy. Residence life? It's a world of its own. Movie nights, music jams, quiet reading, deep conversations, shared meals, and laughter that echoes down the hallways. You will find mentors. You will build communities and discover who you are. This is more than a campus. It's a space to live, learn, and grow.